Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to set up units in Autocad. There are two ways of setting units in Autocad. First one is enter UN from keyboard. The second one is click on Autocad logo and go to drawing utilities and select units. You can see here there are different types of units. First unit is architectural unit. Basically architectural unit is used for feet and inches drawing like civil drawings and architectural drawing. Second unit is decimal unit. Decimal unit is mainly used for mechanical drawings. You can select precisions and scale as per your drawings. The third unit is engineering unit. The engineering unit same as architectural unit. The fraction unit is for the minor values. Last unit is scientific unit. Scientific unit is normally used for large number of units like decameter, hectometer, gigameter and etc. Thank you so much everyone for watching the videos, and if you have any inquiries and any doubts, please leave the comment below. Thank you.